Here we are in room 3126. This is a swim up master double. Basically the same layout again as the other master units, where you've got the frosted door into the toilet bathroom area, toilet separate, dual vanity, same toiletries in all of these rooms, and the jacuzzi tub with a double shower. Lots of storage. Here we've got the two double beds. And notice there's a door here, so this would connect to a same room with an opposite layout, but with a king bed. And this is a swim up. Now this is facing the main pool area, so you can see you do have a little tiny bit of an ocean view. You've got the main pool there. You do have some shade. You'll see how this is configured. So you've got a bit of coverage here. Got a couple of chairs. It comes with your own pool towels. So you can get some shade here. There is no umbrella, but you've got your lounger right there that's set for you all day long. And you have access directly into your own pool area. And if you wanted to have a drink, you can flag down the bartender or the waiter, and they'll serve you drinks in your very own pool area. So there you go, swim up master double.